And concluding our news update with some exciting news, the Folklore Festival has launched its 5th edition of Fringe Shows, expanding into a national multi-city road show to showcase and to develop artists across South Africa. The Kinfolk-themed festival, supported by the National Arts Council, will run from March to April, stopping in Durban, Gqeberha, Johannesburg, Cape Town, Pretoria, as well as Polokwane. Founder and curator Philani Bubu says their initiative aims to bridge the gap between artistic expression and sustainable careers, connecting creatives with industry professionals through workshops and live performances.
Kulindeleke bathole ithuba lokuzibonakalisa baqhame emsebenzini wabo abangamaciko ikakhulukazi awesintu okubalwa phakathi abezinganekwane, umculo, izinkondlo kanjalo nokudweba kumcimbi wefolklore obanjelwe eNational School of Arts Theatre eBramfontein. Umsunguli walenhlangano uthi ke lo mcimbi uzogqugquzela ukuzazi kwabantu.
Because we're curating from the standpoint, a lot of the messagery that we look to year on year comes from this country. And every year we have a theme. The one year we had We the Folk, and it was all about celebrating 30 years of freedom and making sure that all our storytellers across disciplines of arts were able to kind of highlight that narrative, whether they made documentary films, whether they were an activist protest band, whether they talked of social issues and social justice. And then this year we have Kinfolk, and we believe that with the digital disconnect and the world kind of separating and the injustices in humanity, this is a way to remember that we're all kin and we're all like minds, and to bring a sense of humanity into the space. And so when we curate the lineup, we look for storytellers and artists who articulate this messaging pretty well.
Kusenjalo vela kwinkampani yamaciko iSAMRO uthi ke le nkampani iqhuba umkhankaso wokuqinisekisa ukuthi amaciko esintu nawo ayathola okufanele.
Actually, there is a workshop that is being conducted by DistroKid and Spotify. It's a digital workshop. This is mainly focused for the indigenous and traditional artists. And we as SAMRO are part of that because we understand that our artists who are more folklore or traditional or indigenous need to be brought into the digital world, because that's where the money is being made now at the moment. So that's how we do support our artists.
Lo mcimbi kulindeleke uhambele izindawo ezahlukene zakuleli kulezi inyanga ezimbili ukunikeza amaciko inkundla. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseBramfontein.